What's up guys, XAPK here. In today's video I'll be showing you how to install and extract XAPK files. First thing, you want to locate the file you downloaded, your XAPK file, and go to the file. Once you find the file, long press it and rename it. We rename it, we don't necessarily rename the whole file, we just add a .zip extension at the end. After adding the .zip extension, you can extract your file now. If your file manager doesn't extract files natively, you can download WinRAR, which is available on the Play Store. So select the directory where you want to extract the file. Yeah, as you can see, I was trying to figure out which directory I will extract the file to. Once you have done that, you can extract the file. Yeah, pretty extracting right there. And you can see after extracting, you can see the files, everything that was in the XAPK file. So basically the XAPK file is just a big compressed file, which most compressing and extracting software won't recognize unless you rename it. So you see, if I remove the zip extension, I can no longer extract this file. I can only see compress on my options. So that's just about it for this video. After doing this, you can go ahead, install whatever you're installing. Yeah, and be sure to subscribe to the channel. Follow me on social media, IG, Instagram, yeah, that's IG, Twitter and Facebook. Yeah, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. That's just about it for this video. Peace.